Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome to the video. Now if you're watching this, that means that the Detail Geek chemical line has officially launched and you can get your hands on everything right now at detailgeekautocare.com. So by all means, head over there, check things out and pick up some of the new products, or stay right here and I'm going to run through each of them in more detail. Okay, so we're going to go through each of them in alphabetical order today because why not? So the first one here is the All-Purpose Cleaner, and the nice thing about this is that it comes as a concentrate, so you are going to have to dilute it before using it, but I am providing an empty dilution mixing bottle with dilution markings on the bottle for you guys, so it's going to take all the guesswork out, all the calculations out of it, and you can easily mix the dilution ratio that you need. So you're going to want to dilute to 10 to 1 for lightly soiled areas anywhere in your vehicle, and 4 to 1 for really grimy areas or for rubber floor mats. And I can tell you that after using Meguiar's All-Purpose Cleaner for years, that this works even better and will be more effective. Okay, so next one is the bug remover, and this is going to easily and safely remove bugs from your vehicle. Now simply spray this stuff on, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then like I do, you can cover the vehicle with foam and then just start your wash process, or you can just move right to washing the vehicle, and because it starts to dissolve them on contact, it's going to make it significantly easier to remove them with your wash mitt. And I can guarantee you that you'll love this stuff because it works incredibly well. All right, moving along to the car shampoo now. And after using many different kinds of soaps over the years, some producing too many suds, others producing not enough, I have designed this to produce just the right amount. So it will safely encapsulate and remove dirt from your vehicle when you wash it with a microfiber wash mitt. But not only that, it won't affect any of the waxes or sealants you may have on your vehicle, and it will rinse clean without any streaks. And speaking of streaks now, for anyone who struggles with getting their glass streak-free in their vehicle, you're going to need to try the glass cleaner. This is going to easily remove any grime, film, or any other mess from your glass, and it's safe for tinted windows. Simply just spray this onto a Detail Geek waffle weave towel, wipe down your section of glass, flip the towel for the final wipe, leaving a crystal clear, streak-free finish every time. Okay, next up is the fun one, and that is the iron remover. So like the name sounds, this is going to remove iron contamination from your vehicle's paint, wheels, glass, and even trim. Now, if you've ever noticed tiny little rust spots on your vehicle, well, that is iron contamination, and it can be easily removed with a product like this. You simply spray a liberal amount onto your vehicle, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and watch it turn purple while it dissolves those particles. Then you simply just rinse it away with a strong stream of water. Okay, moving to the Mega Foam now, and exactly like the name sounds, this is going to produce super thick and luxurious foam and can be used in any foam cannon. All you need to do is fill your foam cannon up with water, leaving room for an ounce or two of Mega Foam, shake it up, and you're good to go. If you want more foam, you simply add more into the foam cannon. You can use this as a pre-soak to help lift any remaining dirt after pressure washing your vehicle. And if you want, it provides a really good opportunity to use a Detail Geek boar's hair detail brush to agitate all the crevices and emblems while the vehicle is covered in foam. Okay, moving on to the paint sealant now, and I have to say this is one of my favorite products. Not only is it easy to apply, it is super easy to remove, and that is one of the things I always look for in a wax or sealant, because nobody wants to be struggling to remove one from your vehicle, so I specifically designed this to be very easy to remove. You can apply this using a polisher and foam finishing pad like you see me use in my videos, or you can apply it by using a microfiber applicator pad and do it by hand. Either way though, it's going to give your paint added depth and gloss, lasting for about 6 months, and really just make the paint pop and look incredible. Okay, next up is the Quick Detailer, and this stuff is going to instantly give your vehicle that freshly detailed look. It's able to safely remove light dust and fingerprints, and will add a slick, high gloss shine to your paint in only a couple of minutes. This is great to use in between waxing or sealing your vehicle, and it also serves as a great lubricant for when you clay bar your paint. Okay, last but not least is the Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This is a powerful non-acid cleaner that is specifically formulated to break down tire blooming, old tire dressings, but will also easily remove brake dust, road grime, and any other dirt from your wheels. It's dilutable up to 2 to 1, or you can just use it straight out of the bottle. Just spray it all over your wheel and agitate with a variety of brushes, preferably Detail Geek ones, and then just rinse the wheel off. Now you might need to repeat the process on your tires a few times until the cleaner doesn't turn brown, and that's when you know they're clean. And it's also important to note that it's not recommended for use on raw, anodized, or polished aluminum wheels. Okay guys, well that is the rundown of the entire chemical line. Now I hope that gives you all the information that you need, although if you do have any additional questions, you can reach out on Instagram to Detail Geek Auto Care and you can ask them there. But yeah, I am incredibly excited for this day to finally be here. I have worked tirelessly on this for many, many months, and all I can say is that all of my expertise and all of my knowledge has gone into these products, so you know that they are going to be very high quality and top shelf products. And yeah, if you're so inclined, head over to detailgeekautocare.com, check them out, pick up a few if you'd like. I am sure you guys are going to love them. Okay, well that is going to wrap things up. Thanks for watching, and a huge thank you if you guys decide to pick up some of the new products. I will be expanding the product lineup soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.